Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Thinkings. Welcome to this easy poster color painting tutorial for beginners. Today we are going to create a beautiful green moonlight scene using simple technique and poster colors. Let's get started. First, lightly sketch the basic outline of your moon and the surrounding landscape on your paper. You can use a pencil for this. Start by drawing a large circle for the moon in the center of your sky and then sketch some trees or hills below it for a serene natural look. Next, we will paint the sky. Begin by mixing shades of green with a little bit of white. Start applying the color around the moon using light, gentle strokes. Make sure to blend the color outward to create a glowing moonlight effect. Now for the moon itself, use white mixed with just a tiny hint of yellow to give the moon a soft glow. Paint the entire circle, then lightly blend some of the white into the sky around it, making the moonlight spread into the scene. For the ground, use darker green or a mixture of green with a little bit of black to paint the silhouette of hills or trees. Use a fine brush to add some trees trunk or branches, giving your painting depth and structure. For finishing touches, you can add star in the sky by lightly dabbing small dots of white paint. You could also use a slightly lighter green to create reflections of moonlight on the top of trees or the ground. And that's it. Your beautiful green moonlight scene is complete. I hope you enjoyed this easy poster color painting tutorial. Don't forget to experiment with your colors and add your own creative touches. Thanks for watching and happy painting.